we're all wrapped up now, but before we go, Adam just wants to say something about his training.
Yeah. No, I just want to say about the way you teach. I mean, your patience. To be honest, I'm the worst person. I mean, I'm to deal with me. I mean, the way you deal with me patiently and passing the information to me. And there are engineers out there. There are good engineers out there, but the teaching skill is something else. Not everyone have it. So, I mean, the way you teach me and you pass it, when even I'm not, I mean, paying attention, you get my attention and you pass information. It's amazing the way you do it. And yeah, it is very, very good. It's really nice. And really, the teaching method you use is good.
Excellent, excellent.
Very good. Yeah, it's wonderful.
That's it. So you see this here where it says assurance and reliability?
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
I specifically call that name A&R, because I live by the name of assurance. You're assured that you're going to get the best.
Right. Yeah, that is true.
And I try to live up to that. Well, not try, I always aim to live up to that.
Okay.
Assurance and reliability.
Yeah. Yeah, that is true.
Good. Okay guys, that's it for this video what we've just done, and I hope you enjoyed what you've just seen. So, and what Adam said about what I do, I'm very touched because it's quite fulfilling doing this job, training guys like Adam and other people I've trained in the past, and the ones I'm going to do in the future. Hopefully one of them will be you. So that's been it from me, and I'll see you on the next video.